Hello students, again welcome back to my channel Anxiety. So in this video we are going to discuss about the 7th August 2021 real IELTS test writing task 2 essay questions. So based on the topics I just arranged some question for your practice purpose. So try to prepare with these topics. It will definitely help you out in your real exam. So always try to collect some points under each and every topic, and please note that you will not get the same question. Okay, but you can expect the same topics. So we'll start out with our video. So the first topic is food. Countries should produce the food that their population eats and import as little as possible. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Give reasons and example to your answer. So it's coming under to what extent type of question related to importing of food. So here it's coming under opinion type essay, and they asked like to what extent do you agree or disagree. So it's coming under balanced opinion type essay. You need to state about the agreement and also about the disagreement side with the proper explanation and example. Moving on to the second topic, that is related to environment. The key solution for the environmental issues is for the current generation to live a less comfortable life to benefit future generation. They want to conserve all the resources, avoid the over exploitation of resources, like that. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to explain about the agreement and also about the disagreement side. It's also coming under to what extent type of question. Next one, under news. Most people these days prefer getting news online rather than reading newspaper or watching TV. Do you think it is a positive or negative development? So it's also coming under opinion type essay. If you think it is a positive development, means you can write like that. That means you can be in one side, either in positive side or negative side. And if you think it have both positive and negative side, means you can write like that too. So the next topic, transportation. The most effective way to solve traffic and transportation problem in the cities is to discourage people from the suburb or the countryside from moving to the cities. So we should avoid the people moving from or migrating from countryside. That means from the rural area to the urban area. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to explain about both the side. That means about the agreement and disagreement side. So the next topic is international aid, or we can say it as foreign aid. Rich countries often give financial aid to poor countries, but it does not solve poverty. So rich countries should give other types of help to poor countries rather than financial aid. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to explain about the agreement side. That means how long this financial aid help the people in the poor countries, and also about the other methods of help also. That means in the form of manpower or any type of resources in the emergency calamities and all. Okay, so the next topic is university students. Today, more and more full time university students focus on other activities rather than spend a lot of time studying. Some people think it is essential for university students to be involved in other activities. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So, here also you need to explain about the importance of other activities and also about the academic importance, because it's coming under to what extent. Next, under environmental pollution, some people think it is one of the best way to solve environmental problems by increasing the cost of fuels for cars and other vehicles. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So the next topic is communication technology. With the development of online communication, people will never be alone and will always be able to make new friends. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you can write about the benefits of this online education and also about the drawback. That means you need to agree and also about the disagreement side. Next, under government role, there aren't many houses to accommodate people, so it has several social consequences. Only the government can solve this problem. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to write about the government role and also about what all things we want to do to improve this social problem. So according to the question type only, I just arranged this topic. That's why we are discussing these opinion type essays together. Okay. Next one, technology is destroying social interactions. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So you need to write about the importance of technology and also about the drawbacks of technology. Next one, about educational system. Subjects like arts, music, and drama are more important than other subjects and therefore should be given more time in the calendar. Do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under one sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or you can disagree with this point and try to give at least two relevant reasons in two different body paragraph. So next topic is sports and games. Having a lot of international sports events may promote world peace. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you can write about the importance and also about the drawbacks of international sports related to our economy and all. So the next topic is government and economy. Some people think that the government is wasting money on arts and this money could be better spent elsewhere like in educational system, transportation system, healthcare facilities. So to what extent do you agree or disagree with this? So here also you need to give the importance of art sector and also about the other sectors. So the next topic, leisure activities. Some people believe that hobbies need to be difficult to be enjoyable. That means most difficult the hobbies can be more enjoyable. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also write about the agreement and also about the disagreement side. Then next about the crimes. In some countries, the number of crimes committed by teenagers is growing. Some people think that regardless of age, teenagers who commit major crimes should receive adult punishment, same like adults. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here you can write about the importance of giving punishment same like the adult and also about the disagreement side. What all are the negative impact on students or the children's if we are doing like that? So what all are the other punishment we can able to give? Suggest that to you. The next topic, online communication. Communication through text messaging and other instant forms of online communication are short and basic. Some people think this will be the death of grammar and spelling. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree with this statement and try to give relevant reasons. So next topic, information media. Some people think that public libraries are not necessary whereas others believe that they are essential for people. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? So you need to write about the importance of libraries and also about the other medias. So now we'll see some two-part type of questions. Under work and job, some companies have uniforms for their staff which must be worn at all times. What are the advantages for a company having a uniform? Are there any benefits of having a uniform for the staff? So you need to give answers for both the part of the questions. So next one under online shopping. Online shopping is significantly increasing. What effect does this have on people? What are the demerits and what are the job opportunities? So you need to answer for all the question. What all are the effects of this online shopping on people? What are the demerits and also about the job opportunities? So the next topic, celebrities, or we can say it as people and characteristics. Many people are copying celebrities from magazines and on TV. Why is this happening? That means what all are the reasons? Do you think it is a good idea to copy celebrities? What's the effect? So it's coming under problem solution essay too. Okay, so you need to answer for both the part of the question. The next topic is arts and culture. Art is considered an essential part of all cultures throughout the world. However, these days fewer and fewer people appreciate art and turn their focus to science, technology and business. Why do you think this is? What could be done to encourage more people to take an interest in the arts? So it's also coming under problem solution essay. So what all are the reasons for this particular trend and what we can do? What all are the solutions you can able to suggest to improve the people's attention towards art sector? So next topic, people and characteristics. Some people think that it is good to be ambitious. How important is to be ambitious? Do you think it's a good characteristics? So here also you need to answer for both the part of the question. So next topic, globalization. Large businesses have big budget for marketing and promotion and as a result people gravitate towards buying their products. What problems does it cause? What could be done to encourage people to buy local products? So it's coming under problem solution essay. You need to explain what all are the reasons and what all are the solutions you can able to suggest to improve or encourage people to buy more locally produced things. The next topic, world or social issues. Overpopulation in urban areas has led to numerous problems. Identify one or two serious ones and suggest ways that government and individuals can tackle this problem. So you need to describe what are the problems of overpopulation and you need to suggest the solution from individual and also from government level. So the next topic related to youngsters life. teenagers face a lot of problems in school and at home. What is the cause of this? What all are the causes of this? And how can parents solve this problem? So, what all are the things parents want to do to solve this problem? So, the next topic, food and health. The demand for food is increasing worldwide. Why has it happened? What measures could the international community take to improve the situation? So, it's also coming under problem solution essay. You need to explain what all are the reasons behind this and try to suggest some solutions. Next one under road and traffic, or it's related to transportation. Car drivers and cyclists share the same roads and this can cause problems for both of them. Why is this the case? What measures can be taken to solve these problems? Next topic also under world issues, it's related to urbanization. Young people are leaving their homes from rural areas to study or work in the cities. What are the reasons? Do the advantages of this development outweigh these disadvantages? So you need to answer for both the part of the question. So in the first body paragraph, you need to explain what all are the reasons behind this particular trend. And in the second body paragraph, you need to explain whether the advantages outweigh the disadvantages or not and try to explain that. The next topic, media platforms or influence of medias. People are becoming famous with the help of TV programs and the internet. Discuss the advantage and disadvantage and state your opinion. So you need to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of this particular trend and try to give your opinion whether it is good or bad. You can give your explanation in third body paragraph. So the next topic under energy resources, demand for gas and oil is increasing, and so finding new resources in remote and untouched areas is a necessity. Do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? So it's coming under outweigh type of question. You need to give more attention towards the advantages. Try to arrange the advantages in two different body paragraph and disadvantages in third body paragraph. So the next topic, languages. Some experts believe that it is better for children to begin learning a foreign language at primary schools rather than secondary school. Do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? So here also you need to give the importance towards the advantages of studying this foreign language from primary schools rather than disadvantages. So arrange your body paragraph accordingly. So next topic is work and travel. In some countries, young people are encouraged to work or travel for a year between finishing high school and starting university education. Discuss the advantage and disadvantage for young people who decided to do this and state your opinion. So it's coming under discussion with opinion. Try to discuss both the part and try to give your opinion in third body paragraph. So next one, the influence of technology in educational systems. Students at schools and university can learn better via technologies rather than with teachers. Do you agree or disagree? So here also either you can agree or you can disagree. It's one-sided opinion essay. Next topic, part-time jobs. Nowadays, some people turn to take temporary jobs for they have time to do other things. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So here also you need to give more attention towards the advantages of part-time jobs. So next topic is people and skills. Some people believe anyone can make art like painting, music and poetry, while others believe people with a specific ability or inborn ability can create this. Discuss both views and give your opinion. You need to discuss about both the part of the question. That means about the innate ability and also about the acquired ability and try to give your opinion to you. So next topic under child development. Some people think that parents should teach children how to be good members of the society. Others, however, believe that school is the best place to learn this. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So you need to discuss both the views and try to give your opinion. So you can support any one view or you can be in balance. Okay. So the next topic is work-life balance. Some people argue that it is best to accept a bad situation such as an unsatisfactory job or shortage of money. Others believe that it is better to try and improve such situations. Discuss both views and give your opinion. You need to discuss both the side and try to give your opinion in third body. So the next one related to education. Some people think that formal education should start for children as early as possible, while others think that it should not start until 7 years of age. Discuss both views and give your opinion. You need to discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. So the next topic, health and exercises. Some people think the best way to stay fit is to join the gym or health club, while others think doing everyday activities such as walking and climbing stairs is sufficient. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Next topic is also government role. In some countries, a few people earn extremely high salaries. Some people think that this is good for a country, while others believe that the government should control salaries and limit the amount people can earn. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Next topic is history. Some people say that history has little or nothing to offer, while others say that the study of the past helps the present. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So the next topic, music. Some people think that music plays an important role in society. Others think it's just a form of entertainment. Discuss both the side and give your opinion. Next question under sports and games. Some people think it is more beneficial to take part in sports which are played in teams like football, while others people think that taking part in individual sports is better like tennis and swimming. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So you need to discuss about the team sports and also about the individual sports items and try to give your opinion. So the next topic, housing and building related. It is too expensive to look after and repair old buildings. This money should be spent on building modern buildings instead. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also it's coming under to what extent you need to mention about the importance of old building and also about the modern building. Next topic, old and young. The young should get advice from old people than young people. So they should take advices from old people. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree. Next one under technology. Nowadays, lot of people think people are being over dependent on phones and the internet. Do you agree or disagree? The next topic, family and relations. Some people believe that the whole family, that means grandparents, uncles and aunts, bringing up children is better than only parents. What is your opinion? So either you can agree or you can disagree with this particular point. Next topic under global issues. Living on Earth would become difficult in the future. So more money should be spent on researching other planets to live, like Mars. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here it's better to write about the agreement and the disagreement side. Next topic, culture and tradition. It is not necessary to travel to other places to learn about other culture of other people. We can learn just as much from books, films and the internet. Do you agree or disagree? It's also coming under one-sided opinion essay. Next topic, online education. Some universities now offer their courses on the internet so that people can study online. Is this a positive or negative development? So here also either you can study it as a positive development or negative or both. Next topic under urbanization. There are more new towns being built nowadays. It is more important to include public parks and sports facilities than shopping centers for individuals to spend their free time. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's better to write about the positive side of public parks, sports facilities and also about the shopping centers. Next topic under animals. Animals are in danger of extinction. Some people say that we should protect only those animals which are useful to human. Do you agree or disagree with this? Either you can agree or you can disagree. So that's all about the essay topic. So try to prepare these all questions. So it will definitely help you out in your real exam. If they asked you in any other form also, you can able to write if you collect some points means. So try to collect some opposing and some supporting points. So all the very best for your test date and please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification if you want to get more IELTS related updates means. So thank you for watching again. Stay blessed.